How to fix slow response or lagging on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Here you can see if I try to enter in my pin, it is kind of slow. So there's a small delay or lagging. So to fix this problem, there are a number of things that you can try. First, we want to double check a settings. So swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on vision enhancement. Now scroll down. And in here, we tap on magnification. Make sure you turn off magnification shortcut and any other items got to do with magnifications. Here you can see it is improving. Let's just go back, start again. So it doesn't lag as much as before. So one of the things is magnification type. When we turn on magnifications, it kind of slow down the touch response. So I think it is actively monitoring for touch. That's why it's kind of slow it down. So by simply turn off magnification, that can help. Another thing that you can try is to restart your phone. If there are bugs and stuff, then that can cause a lot of background process running on the background, which cause the phone to slow down. So a simple restart might help get your phone back to in working order. So here I will try to restart. So tap on the restart button to restart the phone. So give that a try. Another thing that you can do is try to update your software to the latest version. So in settings, we go to software update and make sure you download the latest software update on your phone. Another thing that you can do is to enable touch sensitivity on your device for screen protectors. So back into settings, then we scroll down and tap on display, and then we tap on touch sensitivity. So turn this on. This will increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So turn it on. Next, you can try to wipe cache partition. If you still have an issue, you can try to boot into your Android recovery and wipe cache partition. So to do that, you typically turn off the device. So power off the device. And then what you want to do is you want to hold the volume up and then the side button until the Samsung logos appear on your phone. Now you may also need to plug your phone into a computer because if you don't plug it in, it might not work. So plug it into your computer with a USB cable, and then we try to boot into recovery mode. Okay, once you are in recovery mode, you want to go down to wipe cache partition, press on the side button, and then we go down and then click on yes. And here it says wipe cache complete, and then press on the power button to restart the device. Okay, so after if doing all that and you still have an issues, then you can try to turn off animations. Here I will reboot the device. I feel like magnification is still on, so we switch it off. This is off now, so it should be a little bit faster. So to turn off the animation on your device, we can go into settings, and then you want to go down and tap on about phone, and then software information, then tap on the build number 7 times. So tap on it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you tap on it 7 times, developer mode will be enabled. So we go back to settings and then tap on developer options. In here, we scroll down and we look for window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So you can use the search button, or you can simply scroll down and find the settings. So in here, this menu is quite large. So what we can do is, here it is. It's actually under drawing. So you can use the search button as well. So here, window animation scale, it is set to 1x. You can reduce it to down to 0.5, or you can simply just switch it off. Turn off window animation, turn off transition animation and animation during scale. You can also turn it off or reduce it. And then after that, things should be a lot faster. You can see when I tap on it, it's respond rather well. So give that a try. And lastly, if it's still lagging, then perhaps there could be an app that cause an issue. So you might want to boot into safe mode and then check out to see if your phone is still lagging in safe mode or not. To boot into safe mode, you typically press and hold on the power button. So press and hold on the power button. So tap and hold on the power button until you see safe mode. So first we're going to switch it off. So power off. Power off. And then press and hold on the power button to turn on the phone. Actually, we need to boot up, and in the power menu, that's where you can boot into safe mode. So we need to go into the power menu. So let's go into the power menu. Here we swipe down to open up the power menu. Here we touch and hold the power off. And here's a safe mode. So we want to boot into safe mode. And once you're in safe mode, it should show a small label indicating that you are in safe mode. So wait for the phone to boot up. If your screen works fine in safe mode, then try to uninstall recently installed apps that might be interfering with the screen. And that's it. So here we are now in safe mode. Now check if your screen is lagging or not. And that's it. To get out of safe mode, simply restart your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope one of the solutions will help you out. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.